What's your card?
Ace, flower, black.
Ako na!
Good,
Ano
yung
yun?
galing.
Ako sunod dyan ha!
No, alika. Tingnan natin kung gaano ka-powerful yung mind mo, okay?
Ay, psychology ako.
Oh, nice, nice.
Ay, psychology ako.
Hi, what's up and welcome to my channel. And for today's video, let's do some street hypnosis, random approach here at MOA, SM The Bay. Let's go. TikTokers. TikTokers. Yeah. I'm in TikTokers too.
Pwede ba tayo mag-duo? Charot!
Yep, I'm doing magic.
Siya.
Yep. You guys, how do you feel like magic? Alright. Hey girls, are you best friend? TikTokers, right? Are TikTokers? I'm just doing some content creator. Yeah. TikTokers. You, TikTokers. Go. Huwag kayong mahiya. Okay. I just want to try something like kamay mo. Yun. Left. Okay. Open. Now, inhale and exhale. One more. Inhale and exhale. Look at me. And I want you to imagine and think. Imagine mo yung card na yan, na parang sinisend mo sa mind ko. I want you to imagine na parang sinisend mo yung card na yan sa mind ko. Look at me. Yung picture ng card. Don't change your mind. Okay. I don't know kung open your palm. Palm. Open. What was your card? Ano yung card mo?
The parts.
Ten of Hearts?
10 spade.
10 spade?
10 spade.
10 spades? Di niya alam kung anong card, di ba?
Oo.
Di niya alam kung ano. Di siya memory sa mga card.
Opo.
Pero alam mo sa picture sa mind mo.
Yes.
Okay, yun yung sinad mo sa mind ko.
Yes.
Ewan ko kung tama ako. Look at your card.
Ako pala ako. Galing talaga. Tingnan ko.
How do you feel?
Ako susunod!
How do you feel? No, do you believe in telepathy? Mind magic.
Hindi pa din. Hindi ako nakakandi.
Look at me, inhale. Put your hands. Clear your mind, okay? Clear your mind. Dapat clear yung mind mo. Wala kang isipin iba. Sa card lang yun. Isipin mo lang yung card na yun. Yung picture ng card na yun. Look at me. It's like nasa-send mo sa mind ko. Ito yung card ko, parang ganun. Look at me. Ewan ko lang kung ito yung card niya. Kung ito yung nasa mind niya. But I think like, open your palm. Closer. What's your card?
Ace, flower, black.
Ako na!
Give me your hands. No. Focus on the card. It's like nasa-send mo sa mind ko.
Oh.
Sa mata ko. Don't change your mind. Think of a card. Okay. Open your palm. What's your card?
8 of hearts.
Try. Lakas ng
Are
imagination.
you sure? This is my card! It
Yeah.
is!
Lakas ng imagination mo. Kanina hindi ko nakakatch. Magulo yung isip niya. Hindi ko nakakatch. So, there's one more. Come here.
Ay!
Okay. So, I need to put your hands like this. Right now. Where's your left-handed? Right. Left. Right. Right. Left. Okay. Sige rito. And just, ganyan. Yep, yun na lang. Now, I want you to imagine, inhale, and exhale. One more, inhale, and exhale. Deeper. One inhale and exhale. One more inhale and close your eyes. I want you to imagine right now. Lahat na yung naririnig nyo, lalo magpaparelax sa inyo. And because you are enjoying this experience right now, the experience of wandering, the experience of energy. That's right. And I want you to imagine na parang may energy sa loob ng katawan nyo. Na parang tumatakbo sa loob ng katawan nyo ngayon from your head, going down to your chest, papunta sa tummy nyo, papunta sa dalawang binti nyo, papunta sa dalawang feet nyo ngayon, sa dalawang paa nyo. Ngayon yung paa nyo ngayon, yung paa mo ngayon sobrang bigat, na parang nakastuck sa sahig, na parang hindi nyo kayang igalaw. Later on, hindi nyo kaya igalaw na sobrang nakastuck. Alam niyo yung tipong na parang namanhid, hindi nyo kaya. Yung experience na namanhid kayo. Now, imagine yourself na hindi nyo kaya igalaw yung paa nyo. The more you try na gusto nyo igalaw, the more na hindi nyo kaya igalaw. And it becomes your reality. When you open your eyes later, pagbilang ko ng 3, pag bukas nyo ng eyes nyo, hindi nyo kayang galaw yung paa nyo. The more na gusto nyo igalaw, the more na hindi nyo kayang igalaw. And you accept the suggestion. And it becomes your reality. 3, 2, 1, open your eyes. Try to move your feet. Kusta? Ha? Stuck? Try to move your feet. The more you try, the sobrang bilis. Look at me. The more you try, the more you can. Try to move your feet. The more you try, the more you cannot move. Look at me. The more you try, the more you cannot move. Lakad kayo rito. The more you try. Hindi nyo kaya maglakad. Oops, matutumba kayo. Now, lagyan yung kamay nyo rito. Now, ito yung mayayari. Imagine, itong kamay nyo ngayon na parang nakastuck dito. Once hawakan ko to, nakastuck sa ulo nyo. Na parang may magnet. Hindi nyo kayang igalaw. Na-stuck yung kamay nyo. Bigas na parang namamanhid. Hindi nyo kayang tanggalin. Now, kaya nyo igalaw ang paa nyo, pero hindi nyo kayang tanggalin yung kamay nyo. Try. The more you try, the more na hindi nyo kayang tanggalin. What's the feeling? The more you try, the more na hindi nyo kayang tanggalin. The more you try. Nagagalaw yung paa mo, pero hindi nyo kayang tanggalin yung ano. The more you try, the more na nag-resist. Look at me. Double na sobrang bigat ng kamay mo. Tingnan mo ako. The more you try, the more you can. Try. Tingnan mo ako. The more you try, the more you cannot move your hands. Stuck. Naka-stuck na yung sa ulo niyo. The more na kahit gusto niyo tanggalin, the more na hindi. Yung kaya tanggalin. Na ito mayayari. Doon kayo kakabahan. Mamaya, when I clap my hands, matatanggal niyo na yung dalawang kamay nyo. Pero, you forget your name. You cannot remember your name. You cannot speak your name, you cannot remember your name. Ito mayayari na parang nawala sa mind nyo yung pangalan nyo, na parang hindi nyo kayang ibanggit, na parang na-stuck. Hindi nyo kayang banggitin. Open your name. What's your name? The more you try, the more you can. The more you try to remember, the more you can. What's your name? The more you try to remember, the more you cannot remember.
Ayaw masabi.
Closer. What's your name? What's your name? Kilala mo yung pangalan niya? Ano yung pangalan niya? Ano yung pangalan niya? Ano yung pangalan niya?
Alam ko pa.
Alam mo yung pangalan niya? Ano pangalan mo? Alam mo?
Alam ko yung pangalan niya.
Kaya, pangalan mo?
Hindi ko rin masabi po.
Siguro sabi. Pangalan niya? Anong pangalan niya?
Cristel.
Ha? Cristel.
Oh.
Ngayon, anong pangalan mo? Tanungin mo anong pangalan niya. Tanungin mo anong pangalan niya.
Anong pangalan mo?
Teka, pangalan. Tanungin mo pangalan niya.
Anong pangalan mo?
Tila ako.
Tanungin niyo yung pangalan niya.
Nagbablog.
Alam ko po yung pangalan niya, pero yung pangalan ko,
Di mo alam, di mo tandaan. Na kahit na iniisip yung pangalan niyo ngayon, parang nawawala sa isipan niyo.
ayaw lumabas.
Ay lumabas ang pangalan niyo? Tanungin mo yung pangalan niya, bro. What's your name?
Ano pangalan mo?
Isa rin. Di mo alam. Di mo maalala, ikaw di mo maalala. Andyan, pero di mo masabi, right? Now, look at me. Look at me. Come here first. And inhale. Sleep, close your eyes. Deeper, more relax. Allow it to happen. Every suggestions, it becomes your reality. Right now. Now, when you open your eyes, just relax. Allow it to happen. With me. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Sleep. Close your eyes. Deeper, more relax. Allow it to happen. That's right. Deeper, more relax. Enjoy the relaxations right now. Enjoy this feeling. Enjoy this experience right now that you are experiencing right now. That's right. The deeper you go, the better you feel. The better you feel, the deeper you go. Down and down and down. That's right. Now, when you open your eyes, when you open your eyes later, magiging sobrang galing yung sumayaw. Na parang sobrang confidence yung sumayaw. Kahit anong sayaw, masasayaw nyo. When you open your eyes, you are the best dancer in the world. Wala akong pakialam. Once I snap ko yung fingers ko, sasayaw kayo. 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. Kumusta?
Ano sa'yo?
Paano ka sumayaw? Yeah.
Margaret, dito kasi sayaw ko dito. Pwede ba kayo sayaw?
Sayaw kayong dalawa. Sayaw. Yeah, just enjoy. For the content. Yeah. Now look at me. Tingnan mo siya, 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 tingnan mo sa mata, tingnan mo mata, tingnan sa mata, tingnan mo sa mata, tingnan mo sa mata, tingnan mo sa mata. Inhale and exhale and sleep. Deeper, more relax. That's right. Allow it to happen. Every suggestion will become your reality. That's right. Every time na marinig yung suggestions ko, it becomes your reality. That's right. Allow it to happen. Deeper, more relax. Padalin yung relaxation. Count from 1 to 10. Each number I say, lalo kayo napaparelax. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deeper sleep, deeper, more relax. That's right. Allow every suggestions na sasabihin ko, automatic will become reality. And when you open your eyes later, hindi nyo kayang tanggalin yung kamay mo. Yung dalawa, na sobrang naka-stuck, yung dalawang kamay nyo. Hindi nyo kayang tanggalin. The more you try to tanggalin, the more na hindi nyo kayang tanggalin. Hindi nyo alam kung bakit hindi nyo kayang tanggalin. Na parang nalalak yung dalawang kamay nyo ngayon. It's getting harder and harder, harder and harder, na sobrang tumitigas yung dalawang kamay nyo ngayon. Na parang nakakandado. That's right. When you open your eyes, hindi nyo kayang igalaw yung dalawang kamay nyo na sobrang naka-stuck na dyan sa pagkakamay nyo ngayon. 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. Try nyo tanggalin yung kamay nyo. Try nyo tanggalin. Ayaw?
Ito ko.
Try nyo tanggalin yung kamay nyo.
Ayaw.
Paano yan? Paano kayo makakaano? Ganyan na lang.
Iwan nyo lang kami dito kaya.
Ha?
Iwan nyo lang kami dito.
Hindi, babalik ko kayo. Try nyo tanggalin.
Ayaw niya bitawal eh. So, yung bitawal.
Nakalock, di ba? Nakalock. Right?
Parang may umiing.
Yep. Energy. Parang may energy. Right? Inhale. Sleep. Deeper, more relax. Allow it to happen. Every suggestion will become your reality. That's right. Allow it to happen. That's right. The deeper you go, the better you feel. The better you feel, the deeper you go. Down and down and down. Now, when you open your eyes, matatanggal nyo na yung kamay nyo. And feeling good and wonderful about yourself. Feeling confidence. You are a very confident sa kahit anumang bagay. That means ma-achieve nyo yung mga gusto nyong mangyari sa life nyo. Kasi sobrang confidence nyo at wala kayong pakialam sa sasabihin sa inyo ng iba. Because you know na you are enough and you are happy. Because happiness comes from within. When you open your eyes, feeling good and wonderful, open your eyes, feeling great about yourself, matatanggal nyo na. Kumusta? I hope na na-experience nyo masarap sa pakiramdam.
Thank you po.
You believe the power of mind. Right? It's like na parang energy. Right? Now, I want you to imagine that there's na parang sinesend mo sa akin yung picture ng card in your mind right now. Do you believe in telepathy? Yo, not so. Siya hindi masyado. Okay. Put your hands like this. Are you right-handed? Left-handed? Left-handed. Where's your right hand? Yeah. Okay. Put your hands. Your right, your left hand. Okay. Ganon mo. Ganon mo. Okay. Put your hands. That's right. Lapit mo. Yan. Now, I want you to imagine in your mind right now, I want you to send the picture of the card. Yung parang sinisend mo sa mind ko. Look at me. Inhale. Think of a card. I want you to send the card in my mind right now. Okay. Just focus on the card. I think your card is... Hindi ko lang alam kung tama ako or tama yung net-sense kong card sa mind mo. Okay. Do you remember the card? Right?
Yes.
Okay, open your palm. What was your card? K of... But you remember, pero alam mo yung picture. Okay, be honest. Open the camera. Oh, show the camera. Yeah, that's right. How do you feel? It's like, do you feel the power of mind? Right? Yeah, right now. Yeah. Na kailangan clear yung mind mo. Kailangan nasa-send mo sa mind ko, okay? Now, look at me. And then you want to just send the picture, the card in my mind. Use your telepathic mind. Inhale and exhale. Okay, focus on the card, the picture of the card. Okay, that's right. Focus on the card. Parang ano siya. I think number. Open your palm. Now, what was your card?
Number 2, diamond.
2 diamonds.
Yes.
Ano?
Hello!
So, okay. So that's magic. Mind magic. Okay. Imagine your feet. Okay. Tingnan mo yung paa mo. Okay. Dikit mo yung paa mo, dalawa. Okay. Now, I want you to imagine when I snap my fingers, you cannot move your feet. The more you try to move your feet, the more you can't. Na parang sobrang na-magnetize dyan sa side. The more na parang gusto mo igalaw, the more na you cannot move your feet. It's getting tighter and tighter. The more na parang gusto mo igalaw, na parang namamanid, di mo kaya igalaw. Try to move, the more you try, sobrang bigat. Sobrang na-stuck. Alam mo, pinong nangangalay ka. That's right. Allow it to happen. The more you try, the more you can. That's right. Now, even kahit na gusto mong maglakad, di ka makakalakad. Try mo maglakad, the more you can. Mabigat. How do you feel? How do you feel? Mabigat, right? Na kahit anong pilit mo, hindi ka makakatayo, hindi ka makakalakad hanggat hindi ko sinabing makakalakad ka. That's right. Allow it to happen. And enjoy the feelings. Now, ito mayari. Once I snap my fingers, may gagalaw mo na yan, pero yung kamay mo, look at your palm, tingnan mo yung kamay mo, tingnan mo, imagine, lagay mo sa ulo mo, naka-stuck na yun. It's like there's a super glue. Hindi mo kayang tanggalin. The more na gusto mong tanggalin, the more na hindi mo kayang tanggalin. Now, imagine, tingnan mo, listen me, tingnan mo, magagalaw mo na yung dalawang paa mo, pero hindi mo kayang tanggalin yung kamay mo sa ulo, naka-stuck, sobrang nakalock dito. Magagalaw mo na yung paa mo. Oh, lakad. Now try mo, subukan mo tanggalin. The more na gusto mo tanggalin, the more na hindi mo kaya.
Ang bigat niya.
Yeah, try to. How do you feel? Try. The more you try, the more you cannot. At ang mangyari, okay, closer. Once tatapikin ko yung ulo mo, when I tap your forehead, matatanggal mo na yan, but you cannot speak your name. Tanggalin mo. What's your name? The more na na-stuck yung ano. What's your name? What's your name? I'm JB, by the way. What's your name? You cannot remember? What's your name? The more you try, the more you can. The more you try to remember, the more you cannot remember. Tanong niya, anong pangalan niya? Pangalan niya, alam mo? Alam mo yung pangalan niya? Wala. I'm Jay. Kanina pa tayo, pero hindi mo sasabi sa akin pangalan mo. Nakalimutan na sabihin yung pangalan niya. I'm Jay, by the way. Your name? Now, eto mangyari. Maalala mo na yung pangalan mo. When I tap your forehead, maalala mo na yung pangalan mo. Pero, maalala mo yung nakakatawang bagay sa buhay mo. Your name? Mariel. Ano na? Huh? She's in trance. Yeah, Mariel. Palapakan natin si Mariel. Now, I want to give something on you that you cannot, something na magbe-benefits ka. Ano yung mga, do you want to achieve? Ano yung gusto mong achieve sa life?
Ano?
Maging model. Ha? No.
Maging flight attendant.
Flight attendant. Okay. Okay, do you believe the power of mind na pag inisip mo ngayon, magiging, in the future, magiging reality? Right? Because everything is in mind. Lahat ng nangyayari sa life natin, or sa mga nangyayari, it's all created by the mind. Okay? That's how. It's all in mind. So that means you can program yourself right now to achieve what you want in the future. Right? Because everything is in mind. Nasa mind lahat. Okay? Now, inhale. And exhale. One more inhale. And exhale. Close your eyes. That's right. And I want you to imagine your future self. I want you to imagine there's a big screen in front of you. And I want you to imagine your future self na maging flight attendant. Feel what you feel. See what you see in your mind right now. That's right. Put some color. That's right. Vividly in your mind. Pictures na parang na-achieve mo na. That's right. I want you to imagine na kung saan-saan ka lang pupunta. Halos natatravel mo yung world. Because you are a flight attendant. And you feel good and confident about yourself. Because you achieve your dreams. Your professions that you want. But you are open to all possibilities. To all opportunities that's arrived to you. Nod your head. That's right. And you accept that suggestions. Sooner, in the future, it becomes your reality. Inhale. Feeling good and wonderful. Feeling relaxed and enjoy the rest of the night. Open your eyes. How do you feel?
I'm so happy.
How do you feel?
I'm so happy.
Ano yung feeling kanina?
Like,
Ano yung
parang nakamit ko na yung lahat ng gusto ko
In
mangyari.
your mind, right?
Yes.
So that means you can program your mind. Okay. Yeah. That's a good thing. We can program our mind to what gusto natin mangyari. So thank you.